Good morning, dear children. How are you all? Fine? Good. The topic for our today's video is Chapter 4, Clothes We Wear. So before we go into the video, let us first discuss about this page, puzzle page. See, in this page, we are going to discuss about my needs, I mean our needs. Needs means ज़रूरत. हमें हमारी बेसिक नीड्स के बारे में हमें डिस्कस करना है. ओके, लुक एट दिस पेज. Here there are 4 needs given. Out of these 4 needs, 3 needs are our basic needs. What are the basic needs? Actually, the basic needs are the needs without which a living being cannot survive. So basic needs ये होता है जिसके बिना हम नहीं रह सकते हैं. हमें ज़िंदा रहने के लिए हमें basic needs की ज़रूरत है. So here 1, 2, 3. These 3 are our basic needs, and this is the 4th one is our need. This is not our basic need, but still we need this also. So let us discuss one by one. The first and important basic need is air. See, this boy is breathing. Everyone is breathing. For breathing we need air. Okay? Air is our first basic need. And our second basic need is water. Look at this boy. He is drinking water. Not only he is, everyone is drinking water. We need water to survive. Water is our second important basic need. And look at this boy, what he is doing. He is eating his food. Everyone is eating food. We need food to live and grow. So food is our third basic need. So this air, water and food are our 3 important basic needs. Without these basic needs, we cannot survive. Clear, children? Air, water and food. These 3 are our important basic needs. And what about this? He is wearing clothes. Clothes is our 4th need. Okay, so clothes is our 4th need. Let us discuss how in this page. So, in this chapter, we are going to discuss about 3 important things. The first one is the importance of wearing clothes. Second is the type of clothes we wear in different seasons. And number 3rd is good habits. So in this video, I am going to cover the first 2 points, that is the importance of wearing clothes and the type of clothes we wear in different seasons. Okay? So why do we wear clothes? The first reason for wearing clothes is clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain, dust, and here I have added one more point from my side, that is animal bite. And the second reason is clothes makes us look smart. You can say this is the first point and this is second point, no problem. So the first point is clothes make us look smart. So when we wear clothes, we look smart. Yes or no? Isn't it? But you have to remember one point, that when we wear neat and clean clothes, ironed clothes, pressed clothes, then only we look smart. Isn't it? We don't look smart in dirty clothes. We look smart in neat and clean clothes. So the first point is clothes makes us look smart. What is this? I will say one more time. Clothes make us look smart. Smart. S-M-A-R-T. Smart. Clothes make us look smart. Can you repeat? Yes. Clothes make us look smart. Okay, clear? We look smart when we wear neat clothes. So the first point is clothes make us look smart. The second point is here it is written they protect us from. Here they means clothes. Clothes हमें protect करता है, बचाता है. किस किस चीज़ों से clothes हमें protect करता है वो हम discuss करेंगे. That is the second point. I mean clothes protect us from. Clothes, can you repeat it with me? Clothes protect us from heat. The first point is clothes protect us from heat. Heat, गर्मी से हमें clothes protect करता है. Clothes protect us from heat. Okay. Second, cold, ठंड से बचाता है हमें. Clothes protect us from heat, cold. First I'll say and then you will say second. You will repeat. Clothes protect us from heat, cold. Done. Number 3, rain. Rain से हमें बचाता है कपड़े. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain. One more time. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain. Very good. The fourth thing is dust. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain, dust. One more time. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain, dust. Okay. The last thing, animal bites. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain, dust and animal bites. Animal bites से भी हमें clothes protect करता है. So again, one more time let us revise. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain, dust and animal bites. So the first point of our video is, why do we wear clothes? The reason for wearing clothes are two. The first reason is clothes makes us look smart. Clothes make us look smart. Clothes make us look smart. So when we wear neat clothes, we look smart. So that is the first reason. Clothes make us look smart. The second reason for wearing clothes is clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain, dust and animal bites. Okay? Clear? Can I tell you again one more time that very important these 2 points? Okay, I will tell you again. First I will say, second you will say. Okay? Clothes makes us, every time I say makes, clothes make us look smart. Second, clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain, dust and animal bites. Okay? First point is clear. Why we are wearing clothes? Is it clear to you? Good. Now, the second important point of this video is, I have already told you that the type of clothes that we wear in different seasons. That is the second point of this chapter. I have told you we are going to learn 3 important points. The first thing is why we are wearing clothes. That is already done. Clear to everyone? Okay. Now the second point is, we wear clothes according to the season. The type of clothes that we wear in different seasons. Can you name the different seasons? Do you know already? The second important point is the type of clothes we wear in different seasons. So there are 3 important seasons in a year. That is summer. The first season is summer. And the second one is winter. And the third one is rainy season. So we are going to discuss about the type of clothes that we are wearing in these three different seasons. Okay. Let us now come back to our lesson. The second point I have told you that we wear clothes according to the season. Yes or no? Yes. Now tell me, which season is going on now? Yes, very good. This is summer season. In summer season, what type of clothes do we wear? Do you wear? आप कौन से कपड़े पहनते हो? आप अभी स्वेटर्स पहनते हैं आप? नहीं, हम समर्स में स्वेटर्स नहीं पहनते. ओके. एंड विंटर्स में हम स्वेटर्स पहनते हैं और रेनी सीजन में कुछ और टाइप के कपड़े पहनते हैं. सो हम कपड़े कैसे पहनते हैं? हमारी सीजन के हिसाब से पहनते हैं. इज दिस क्लियर टू यू बेटा? ओके. नाउ लेट अस डिस्कस वन बाय वन about the different seasons and the type of clothes that we wear in different seasons. Okay, the first season we are going to discuss is summer season. April, May and June, these 3 months we have this summer season, and in the summer season we wear cotton clothes. See the first line, we wear cotton clothes in summer. We wear कॉटन क्लोथ्स इन समर. समर में हम कॉटन क्लोथ्स पहनते हैं. वाई समर में कॉटन क्लोथ्स पहनते हैं बेटा? बिकॉज समर इज़ वेरी हॉट. बताओ, समर हॉट है या कोल्ड है? समर इज़ वेरी हॉट, एंड बहुत हॉट सीजन में हम कॉटन क्लोथ्स इसलिए पहनते हैं क्योंकि कॉटन क्लोथ्स आर वेरी लाइट एंड इट अब्जॉर्ब्स वाटर. हम बहुत ज़्यादा स्वेट करते हैं ना, आपको पसीना बहुत आते हैं ना समर सीजन्स में. यस, दैट इज़ वाई वी आर वेयरिंग कॉटन क्लोथ्स. कॉटन क्लोथ्स बहुत लाइट होता है और वो स्वेट को अब्जॉर्ब्स करता है, तो इसलिए हम कॉटन क्लोथ्स पहनते हैं. ओके, सो फर्स्ट डिस्कस अबाउट द क्लोथ्स दैट वी वेयर इन समर. एक्चुअली आई कुड नॉट मेक पिक्चर्स फॉर द डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ क्लोथ्स दैट आई विल शो यू टू यू ऑन द ऑनलाइन क्लास. जब ऑनलाइन क्लास होगा हमारा ABS का, तब मैं दिखाऊंगी आपको. अभी मैंने पिक्चर्स नहीं बना पाई तो वैसे समझा देती हूँ. ओके, we wear cotton clothes in summer. क्लियर? कॉटन क्लोथ्स हम पहनते हैं. मैंने बोल दिया कॉटन क्लोथ्स बहुत लाइट होता है, इसलिए हम समर्स में कॉटन क्लोथ्स पहनते हैं. रिपीट फर्स्ट, आई रीड द लाइन एंड देन यू विल रिपीट. वी वेयर कॉटन क्लोथ्स इन समर. What type of clothes do we wear in summer? Yes, we wear cotton clothes. And I can ask you the same question in the different manner, that when do we wear cotton clothes? हम cotton clothes कब पहनते हैं? समर में पहनते हैं. समर में क्या पहनते हैं? कॉटन क्लोथ्स. कॉटन क्लोथ्स कब पहनते हैं? समर में पहनते हैं. आपको दोनों आंसर्स आना चाहिए. मैम फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स में जो डैश इधर भी दे सकती है, उधर भी दे सकती है, तो आपको दोनों वर्ड्स भी रीड करना आना चाहिए, दोनों वर्ड्स के स्पेलिंग्स भी आने चाहिए. तो आप whenever you are reading the chapter, you learn the spellings of these two words. Cotton, summer. Okay, we wear cotton clothes in summer. Clear? And few clothes that we wear in summer are, can you name the clothes? हम समर में क्या क्या कपड़े पहनते हैं? Yes, फ्रॉक, शॉर्ट्स, trousers, t-shirt, skirt, and then capris. Okay, we wear these type of clothes. These are the few clothes that we wear in summer season. ये summer clothes होते हैं. वो सारे पिक्चर्स मैं आपको ऑनलाइन क्लास में दिखाऊंगी. अभी आपको मैं जस्ट नेम ले रही हूँ. क्लियर बेटा? सो द फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज वी वेयर कॉटन क्लोथ्स इन समर. ये लर्न हो गया आप सबको. ओके, लेट अस मूव इनटू द सेकेंड सीजन. सो व्हाट इज द सेकेंड सीजन? द सेकेंड सीजन इज winter season. Winter, January, February, November, December. November, December, January, February. These are the 4 months we have this winter season. So in winter season, what type of clothes do we wear? We wear woolen clothes in winter. Why we wear woolen clothes in winter? So woolen clothes, winter season is very cold. बहुत ठंड रहता है ना उस टाइम विंटर सीजन में, तो इसलिए कॉटन क्लोथ्स वुलन क्लोथ्स हैवी होते हैं. वो इट गिव्स अस वार्मनेस टू आवर बॉडी. वुलन क्लोथ्स हमारी बॉडी को वार्मनेस देता है. वी फील वार्म व्हेन वी वेयर वुलन क्लोथ्स. तो इसलिए हम विंटर सीजन में वुलन क्लोथ्स पहनते हैं. ओके, So let us read this line again and you will repeat it with me. We wear woolen clothes in winter. Again one more time. We wear woolen clothes in winter. So what type of clothes do we wear in winter? Woolen clothes. What clothes? Woolen clothes. Same manner I will ask you again. When do we wear woolen clothes? We wear woolen clothes in winter. So exactly like I have told you here, you have to learn the spellings of these two words, woolen and winter. So we wear woolen clothes in winter. विंटर में हम वुलन क्लोथ्स पहनते हैं. कब हम वुलन क्लोथ्स पहनते हैं? हम विंटर में वुलन क्लोथ्स पहनते हैं. क्लियर? वुलन क्लोथ्स winter. We wear woolen clothes in winter. Repeat. We wear woolen clothes in winter. When do we wear woolen clothes? We wear woolen clothes in winter. Right? So name few woolen clothes. कुछ woolen clothes के names ले लो. Coat, jacket, sweater, gloves, scarves, hats. हैट्स नहीं, कैप्स. हैट हम समर में पहनते हैं, कैप हम विंटर में पहनते हैं. आप सिर्फ कैप नहीं लिखोगे, वुलन कैप. यू हैव टू राइट वुलन कैप्स. ओके, दीज आर द फ्यू विंटर क्लोथ्स दैट वी वेयर इन विंटर सीजन. क्लियर? सो द फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज वी वेयर कॉटन क्लोथ्स इन समर. सेकेंड, वी वेयर वुलन क्लोथ्स इन विंटर. एंड व्हाट इज द थर्ड सीजन? The third season that we are going to discuss is rainy season. We can also call rainy season as monsoon season also. So monsoon or rainy season. Or the months for monsoon and rainy season are June, July, August and September. In these 4 months we generally get rain. So monsoon or rainy season. That is the third season that we are going to discuss. What type of clothes do we wear in this rainy season? We wear raincoat in rainy season. We use umbrellas in rainy season. We wear raincoats in rainy season. So these two important points you have to remember. Raincoat, rainy. Okay. So the second point of this video is the type of clothes that we wear in different seasons. So let us discuss one by one again. Let us revise. Actually we have already discussed everything. We are going to revise it now. The first point, we wear cotton clothes in summer. Second, we wear woolen clothes in winter. And number 3, we wear raincoat in rainy season. Okay, first I will read it again and then you will follow me. We wear cotton clothes in summer. One more time. We wear cotton clothes in summer. Okay, done? Can everyone read this line? Reading is very important in EVS. If you can't read the sentence, you cannot give answers in the exam. Okay, so try to read the sentence properly. Read with me. We wear cotton clothes in summer. Second, we wear woolen clothes in winter. Second point, we wear woolen clothes in winter. Third, we wear raincoat in rainy season. Third point, we wear raincoat in rainy season. Okay, so we have discussed and learned, revised the two important points of this lesson. That is, why do we wear clothes? And second, the type of clothes that we wear in different seasons. The first point, why do we wear clothes are, we wear clothes to protect ourselves from heat, cold, rain, dust and animal bites. And second thing, clothes make us look smart. Okay, we wear clothes because clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain, dust and animal bites. And second, clothes make us look smart. These are the two important points. Second, the type of clothes that we wear in different seasons are, we wear cotton clothes in summer. we wear woolen clothes in winter, and the third, we wear raincoat in rainy season. Okay, that's all for today. You revise, read the chapter, open your chapter, read it again and again, and learn the spellings of all important words. You have to learn the spellings of these words also: heat, cold, rain, dust, and then protect, the word protect, smart, cotton, summer, woolen, winter, raincoat, and rainy, umbrella also. So learn the spellings of all these important